And I wrote this for him. I look around me, and I don't like this place that I see. Someone's scars are, they're in my face. The poison cut of the human race. No jobs, no homes, and I'm so alone. I don't like this place I see as I look around me. I said this is my subway, gospel baby. Hear me through the streets of this city. Hear me, hear me. I said this is my subway, gospel baby. I'm preaching underneath of this city. I'm teaching with my preaching. Buildings where the sad people dwell. I see us, we're huddled in our corners, wrapped up in our shells. We're so scared of all the beauty we possess inside, thinking it's all about the outside, forgetting all about the inside. This is my subway, gospel baby. Hear me through the streets of this city. Hear me, hear me. I said this is my subway, gospel baby. I'm preaching underneath of this city. I'm teaching with my preaching. They're in my face. The poison blood of the human race. No jobs, no homes, and I'm so alone. I'm so alone. I'm so alone. I said, this is my subway, gospel baby. Hear me through the streets of this city. Hear me, hear me. You don't like it? Let's make this a better place. We need vision, we need hope, we need love, y'all, yes. We need love, y'all, yes. We need vision, we need hope.